everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a beginner's video today. I'm going to be going over kind of what is disc golf and how to play. This is going to be part one of a little series I'm doing that is directed towards beginners, so I hope you find this helpful. So what is disc golf? Well, it's very similar to golf in the sense that you start at a tee and try and make your way to the hole, or in disc golf's case, the basket, in the least number of throws. So this is the tee box. The tee boxes here are marked by these two metal plates in the ground, and they are grass tee pads. In other courses, they have concrete tee pads or like a turf tee pad.
So similar to golf, you start with your drive and then move to wherever your disc stopped. And then from there, you throw your next throw. So here I'm close to the basket, and in disc golf, there are two circles. So there's circle 1, which is 10 meters away from the basket, and then circle 2, which is 20 meters away from the basket. So when you're inside circle 1, you can't step through after your throw. Otherwise, it would be considered a foot fault, and you can get a 1-stroke penalty. If you're outside of circle 1, you can step through on your lie. So here you see me putting down a mini disc in front of my disc there. We do this to improve our lie by a couple of inches.
So that's how you play around a disc golf. With each hole, there's a par associated with it. The goal is to be at par or under par. Very much like in golf, you want to have the lowest score possible after your round. So disc golf is really easy to get into. Courses typically are found in public parks, so there's no course fees to pay. There are a couple private courses where you have to pay like a very small fee to play. Those ones are really well maintained and definitely worth the money that you pay for it. Discs are also really inexpensive. On average, a disc costs about $20. So, just buy a couple and then get out and start throwing your discs in your local park.